Done? Noted?
Yes, sir.
Saad, how your camera start working? It was black. Hmm? Aram, why have you turned off your camera?
One minute, sir.
Next. Okay. Note the question and start doing. Do it. Note down the question. Calculate the volume by volume percentage when 25 ml of sugar is dissolved in 400 ml of water. Done? Anan, you done? And Rafiq, please make your lid a little bit downside so your face is not
I'm
visible to him.
writing, so my head is down.
5.26. Yes, another students. Anam, you done? Anam, you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you Hanan, you done?
Yes, sir.
What's the answer?
Sir, I'm getting 5.26%.
5.2.
And you also? Anam?
My answer is 100 upon 19%.
5.26. That we have done in the previous classes. So if anybody not done, then you can check it. 25 plus 475 because the total volume will be at 25 plus 450 and we'll get this. Sometimes it happens that because volume is the capacity of a substance, okay, this may be uh, in most of the question, the volume of the solution will be given to you. Okay, sometimes the solute get dissolved into the intermolecular space of the substance and its mass, the solution mass will increase, but the volume remains same. Okay, like for example, if I'm saying like you take the example of sugar. Okay, you have like it is given to you, uh, calculate mass by volume percentage. Mass by uh, volume percentage when 25 gram of sugar is dissolved in 100 is dissolved in 25 ml of or 100 ml of sugar, 100 in 100 ml of water. Okay, so you will notice that because sugar can easily goes dissolve in the and the we have done the activity also that the substance have a their intermolecular space. Okay, the matter have intermolecular space within them, and the sugar goes into the intermolecular space within them. So here you have to notice one thing that mass by volume percentage. Volume is the space occupied, and since the sugar we are dissolving, it is going into the intermolecular space of the water. Then the volume, the capacity will not increase. So how will you do this one? The mass by volume percentage. So it is very simple that you will take 25 is the mass and volume of the water you will take as the volume of solution 100 ml. Here you will not add because here you see that if you add it, uh, if you trying to add like for example 100 ml plus you convert sugar into ml and then you add it. No, because sugar is going into the intermolecular space. Na? Sugar is going into the intermolecular space. That's why we'll not add it. Because the capacity, the level, for example, you have a glass of water, okay, and you mark it level here. So here it is water. Then you add a 2 or 3 tablespoon of sugar to it, then still the water level is same. It is not increasing. So we'll say here the capacity will remain same. Okay, you understood? So that time we are not going to add the volume because it is getting dissolved. Okay. Now note down the solubility. Solubility is the maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in 100 gram of solvent at a specified temperature. Okay, note it down there. Note it down solubility. The maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in the solvent at particular temperature, that is called solubility. Okay, at a specified temperature or in 100 gram of solvent. Okay, that is called. Here we will have amount of solute or mass of solute per. Here we have the mass of solvent, not the solution. In the previous one, WW uh, mass by mass percentage was mass of solute upon mass of solution, but here it is mass of solvent. Okay, that is called solubility. Note this question: 12 gram of potassium sulfate is dissolved in 75 gram of water at 60 degrees Celsius. What is its solubility? This is very simple. Solubility is equals to 12 upon 75, the mass of water, and 200. Then you will get the answer to it.
So we have to note down the question as well.
Yeah, you have to do this one also. Kanan, Tafe, and Arav. Run on the camera. You done? Noted? Noted the solubility?
Yes, sir.
Done the question also?
Yes, sir.
Next. Here we have a question. Just try to solve it. Calculate the mass by mass percentage and solubility of the sodium chloride when we find that 9 gram of maximum sodium chloride can be dissolved in 25 gram of water. Calculate it mass by mass percentage as well as wait, please. Try to find out. Sarah, you doing?
Yes, sir.
Note this question, please. Yes, you done this one? Done?
Yes.
What's the answer?
450 by 17%.
450 by 17%. Okay. And yours, Anna?
I think my answer is wrong. I'm just rechecking it once.
What your answer is? I'm not asking whether it is right or wrong.
So it's 900 upon 34.
900 upon 34. That is 450 upon 17.
Maybe, sir. I don't know.
Yeah, divided 900 by 2, you will get 450 and 34 by 2, you will get 17.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anand, your answer?
Same.
450 by 17.
Saad, yours? What you get the solubility? Your Sarah, your answer?
Sir, 450 by 17.
And Aram, and your Rafi? Aram and Rafi, your answer?
Sir, I got 26%.
450 by 17%.
You got how much?
Sir, sodium chloride in the solution, I got 26%. I didn't do the other part.
That is 450 by 17, that is 26.4%. That is the mass by mass percentage. 9 upon 34 you will add. For the mass of solution will be this one. And the solubility? For
Sir,
solubility, what do you need to do?
I didn't finish the solubility.
Okay, solubility is very simple. 9 upon 25 you have to do. Into 100 will get 36%. %. Done? You done this one?
Yes, sir.
Next. Now, what are the factors that are responsible that affect the solubility? Means, like you see that you have done this type of experiment so many times in your home that when you are doing experiments, okay, like you see that when you are making ruh afza or sharbat during the time of iftar during Ramadan, you find that it's very difficult to dissolve sugar in cold water as compared to in hot water. So what is the difference? Why the temperature is means you will find that, okay, why it is so? Secondly, you have also noticed that cold drinks, when capped, cold drinks which are cold have much amount of soft drinks uh, or carbonated drinks. You will find that the the carbon dioxide will be much able to easily able to dissolve in cold water rather than hot water, because gases easily dissolve in cold water than the hot water, because gases like you see that in hot water, if we have the high temperature in aquarium, sometimes we feel that we should keep the water warm. Okay? Uh, uh, like you see that we should give the temperature because the fish get die during the cold in the aquarium, but it is not so. Fishes are actually cold-blooded animals. They don't need to maintain their body temperature like us. They are like we are the warm-blooded animals. We require particular temperature. Okay, so what the normal person who don't understood cold-blooded and hot-blooded, okay, they simply say that okay, they used to put the heater for the aquarium in the fishes. Okay, and during that time, the fish the visibility of oxygen will get, so just a minute. What we are saying here is that the solubility of substance increases or decreases, okay, when we are adding temperature to it. Okay, so this is very simple, that the factors or the means with when you are applying pressure, like for example, uh, if you are bringing the water molecule closer to each other, the space will decreases. So on increasing the temperature and decreasing the pressure, when you decrease the pressure, the solubility of solid increases in liquids, but it is opposite to gas. Gases are easily dissolved when you increase the pressure and decrease the temperature. Okay, but like you see that solubility of liquids and in solid, solubility of liquids and solid increases on increasing the temperature, but it decreases in case of gas if dissolved in water. Okay, so when you increase the temperature, like you see that in warm, like where it is warm, means warm water, in warm water sugar can be easily dissolved as comparison to that of cold water, because in warm water the particles are separated and the sugar particle need to go into the intermolecular space, but when we freeze the water or when we are having chilled water, then the particles will come closer to each other and they will decrease the space, intermolecular space. So that's why we'll say that like adjustment is not possible. Okay, okay, adjustment is not possible. For example, you add some like you add you are having a like you bring a packet of salt, okay, and you pour it into a like into the jar that in which salt is kept. So you pour it like this way, you will feel that the jar will get easily filled. Okay, but when you do it like this, you will feel that that due to the rearrangement, the most means a small portion of the jar will get means will be free. Okay, you can add more salt to it. Okay, so when you do it like this way, because the rearrangement is doing, so when we are having warmer substance, okay, then during that time the particles have more kinetic energy and they can adjust, like they can do the like salt we have, like you have a packet of salt, you pour it into a container without disturbing it, you are just pouring it, then you will feel that if you do the salt the jar like this way, if you vibrate the jar, you will feel that more salt can be added to it due to rearrangements. Okay, so this is so. So note it down here. Note it down there. Factor affecting the solubility, temperature and pressure. You done? Similarly, on increasing the pressure, the solubility of liquids and solid decreases while the gas increases. So note it down properly about the solubility. You done? Noted? Yes or no? Anan, you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you guess that if you want to dissolve the water, sorry, solid in like sugar in solid, so will you increase the temperature or decrease the temperature if you want to increase the solubility? Yes, Anand, you will you increase the temperature or decrease the temperature?
So again, repeat.
Decrease.
I'm asking, will you increase the temperature or decrease the temperature?
Sir, increase.
Same thing happens here also, that the solubility of a substance increases or decreases with increasing. Okay, so solubility when you decrease the temperature, so the solubility of solids in liquid will decrease. Like cold water, in cold water, it is very difficult to dissolve sugar than the hot water. Okay, hot water you can increase. The solubility of substance can be increased by increasing the temperature and by decreasing the pressure. But it is opposite in gas, in case of gases. Okay, understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, the separation techniques is not in our syllabus this time. Okay, because it is not in our syllabus. So let's practice some question. The chapter is over. Just a minute. Anam, you had an exams of structure of atoms over science. How was your
Yes,
exams? How was the
sir.
exam?
The exam went well. I just did one mistake in an MCQ. So, like it was of 10 marks, so overall I got 9.
We are going to have a question. You have to note it down. Start with that. Here we have, you have already done this question, so do it fast in a fast go. Question number 42. Do question number 42. Done? Hello, Mariam, how are you? Are you fine?
Yes, sir, I'm fine. How are you?
So I'm just going to start the class and let the other students be join.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
What's the answer?
5 gram.
25 grams. Yes, you. And what's your answer?
5 grams.
And what's your answer?
5 grams.
Is it 5 gram, Anam?
Sir, I'm still solving.
I mean 25 grams. Simple that we have done in the previous class. Okay. So that's all. We'll do this question in the next class. We are just going to have a next class. So that's why you will leave. 9th standard student can leave.
Thank you.
Sir, did the class finish?
Yes. How are you, Zainab? And Mariam? Please turn on the camera. Okay, so let's start. In the previous class, today we have done the pH? pH? I think we have not done pH.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. I'm asking that, Mariam, do we have done the pH?
Sir, I was absent last class.
In the last class, we did revisions.
Oh, sir, then we did not do pH. 1 minute.
I'm sure we have not done this one. Let's do the pH. pH means power of hydrogen ion concentration. pH means power of hydrogen ions concentration. So So let me explain you what is pH. pH simply means P stand for power. Here the P stand for power and H stand for hydrogen ions concentration. Hydrogen ion concentration. So power of hydrogen ion concentration. Power of hydrogen ion concentration. That means power. pH. Okay, so we have pH. Okay, power of hydrogen ion concentration. So what we are saying here is that uh, pH is a number. Okay, that helps us. Means pH have as values from 0 to 14 in a scale from 0 to 14, and in the middle it is going to have a value which is going to be have 7. In the middle it has a value 7. So here this is indicate strong acid. Strong acid means as we move away from the 7, it is a strong acid. Here this is strong base, and at 7 we have neutral. No acidic, no basic substance. Understood? So what I am saying here is that strong acids are those acids, or we can simply say that are going to have pH less than 7. And strong acids pH comes under the category from 1 to 2. This is strong acids. Then 2 to 4 weak acids, is moderate acids, and then 4 to 7 weak acid. It is moderate acids. It is strong acid, and there it is weak acids. Similarly, here also weak base up to 9. Okay, 9 to 11 moderate base, and then 11 to 14 is strong base. So strong base is simple here. Okay, so what I'm saying here is that what is pH? pH it has as a scale which has a value from 0 to 7, and it tells us that how acidic and basic a substance can be. How acidic and basic a substance can be. Okay, and that has a value of P stand for power of hydrogen ion concentration. And if the formula, if I'm talking about the formula, so pH stand for can be defined as a negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. Okay, so negative means negative sign, minus sign, and log means it is a mathematical, like sine cos 10 you will study, pi you studied. Okay, just like for example, if we have what is the area of a circle, that is pi r square. So what is pi? Pi is a mathematical term that has a particular value. Similarly, log is also a mathematical term. Log is also a mathematical term. So pH is equals to minus log of hydrogen ion concentration. Okay, so let you note each and everything. Then we're going to start. pH of a solution can be defined as a negative logarithm or negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. Negative
So
log
is there a
of,
value of log?
yeah, we're going to study values of. Then were you present in the previous class?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. And Mariam, why were you absent?
Sir, we went out.
Okay. Do it fast.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
After concentration, what is that? Is?
In mole per liter.
Okay.
In mole per liter. Noted?
Yes, sir, done.
Done. Okay.
Done.
So here we have this one. Okay. The pH of a solution can be defined as negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration in mole per liter. Okay. Now, have you noted this one also? P stand for potence, meaning this one. Everything. Have you noted this one?
Yes.
So let's start studying this topic. Okay. Actually, this topic of negative logarithm is not in the syllabus, but some question of NCRT are well being understood by studying this topic, and this is very easy, not a difficult. It is very simple. Okay, it is even simple than a plus b whole square. Okay, so don't. This is very simple. Don't get it. Okay, so let's start. Now pH is equals to minus log of hydrogen ions. Okay, concentration. This is the formula of pH. Now, if I ask you that if I write something like a raised to the
What
power,
is log?
log is a mathematical term like pi is a mathematical term. Okay. So b, if I write b, a raised to the power b, can I write b into a? Can I write b into a? No. Why? Because if I write 5 raised to the power 2, it does not mean 2 into 5. It means 25. That is not possible. Okay. 5 raised to the power 2 is 25, not 2 into 5. Okay. But if I write something like log 10 raised to the power 5, I can write it 5 into log 10. This log help us to write like this. This power will comes to this. Okay, like for example, if I write log 10 raised to the power minus 2. So I can write it minus 2 into log 10. Okay. If I write minus log into 10 raised to the power minus 2. So what it will be? Tell me. Tell me what it will be.
Plus 2 log into, sorry, log
This
10.
minus will get plus. You will get minus. Minus is for the formula. Okay, and this minus 2 into log 10. So this will minus will get plus. You will get 2 log 10. Got it? Got it? Is it difficult? No. So what I'm saying,
What is log though?
are you saying enough something?
Sir, what is the value of the log though?
Log 2.
No, like what's the value of log though?
We are talking about this, no? We are talking. Okay. So if I'm talking here 2 into log 10. Okay. So it will be its value. Now log 10 has a value of 1. Like you have some values, like pi has a value of 22 by 7. Similarly, log 10 has a value of 1. Log 10 is value is 1. Log 10 value is 1. For example, if I write minus 5. Sorry. If I write 10 raised to the power minus log 10 raised to the power minus 5. So what it value will be? Minus will get plus. You will write 5 into log 10. And this log 10 has a value 1. So you write 5 into 1, that is equals to 1. Sorry, that is equals to 5. Got it?
So what is this used for?
What is the?
What is it used for?
Voice is not clear to me. You are just very close to the mic.
She's asking what is it?
Just tell your mic. I didn't listen. What is? Unmute your mic for seconds. You just start speaking and just give a time to unmute, and then after 2 or 3 seconds, then start speaking. You do like this, it means okay.
Sir, I am asking what is this log used for?
Log use for.
Yes.
Log is used for calculation. Like pi is used for calculation, same log is used for pi.
To find what?
Yeah, like for example in pH. pH has a formula of minus log of H plus ion concentration. So if I'm saying if a solution has a concentration of H plus ion concentration of a solution is 10 to the power minus 5, let's suppose. So what would be the pH of that solution? So we'll calculate pH is equals to minus log into 10 raised to the power minus 5. This 5 will comes to this side and you will get minus minus plus, you will get 5 log 10. And then you know log 10 value is 1. So you will write 5 into 1, you will get 5.
Sir, what if it is not log 10 and it's some other number? So we
It
don't know
is
the value for that.
actually in your syllabus, it is only log 10.
Okay.
Okay, then you are going to study in 12th standard. So it will be with log 10. That's why I'm not teaching that one. Okay. Otherwise, you have to go through the
Okay,
table.
sir.
So log 10 has a value of 5 into 1, you will get 5. If I'm saying that you find here that if the pH of a solution is 5, then it H plus ion concentration what 10 to the power minus 5. Now pH of a solution is 7, then its H plus ion concentration will be 10 to the power minus 7. If the pH of a solution is 3, then its H plus ion concentration will be 10 to the power minus 3. Understood? Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Same way you have to note it down that the pH of a solution depends. Okay. If I'm saying that pH of a solution is 13, so H plus ion concentration will be 10 to the power minus 4, minus 13. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So when I start when I ask you to write, then you have to write. Okay. Now the question comes. Two solutions have a pH. So first you note it down. First you note it down with pH. Note each and everything here also. Note this one. Done. Note this one also.